Hey there guys, it's your boy back again with a new video for y'all. Y'all know what's going down, so let's get into it. Alright, but yeah, this side. So what you wanna do is press create your server. And then you just wanna pick out your username, okay? I'm gonna go for it. By the OG Newton. You know, then you're gonna pick platform including Java edition, okay? You wanna press okay. Next. You wanna press next. And then you wanna set on your password. Okay. Okay, press sign up. And then it's optional, okay? And then it's simple, From here on, you just want to start your server, okay? It's all simple to you. You pick out, your players, okay? It's all up in here, okay? You got if we go up to your software, you got the vanilla mod pack. Glowstone, you got all those things like snapshot, whatever, it's all good. Y'all can pick out the players, y'all can put out your whitelist, the OPs, band players, band IPs, okay? We got your worlds up in here, you can upload a world, generate a world, you feel me? And yeah man, that's basically about it, but there's something I do want to show y'all, okay? I do want to show y'all. I'm gonna do this, just do it right, okay? And I'm gonna show y'all how to get them dope plugins, okay? You just wanna press install up in there, okay? It's gonna be legit. It's gonna be lit. You wanna press some new plugins up in there. You got about 272 pages full of plugins, okay? So I mean, like, that's it for today's video, y'all. And once you're done, you just wanna press start up, and you just press yes and whatnot, and it's gonna, it's actually gonna start. It's gonna start queuing. Okay, you just gotta wait for that. Okay, and once it's done, you will have your server uploading. Okay, and hopefully y'all did find this video helpful, y'all. Just make sure to like, subscribe to your boy, click that notification bell to get notified whenever we upload videos just like this. And I'm thinking of starting a Discord server, so if y'all are hyped for that, just like it up, okay? I'ma see y'all in the next one. K9 signing out.